How to find NFT artists to design your NFTs. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can find an NFT artist to design your NFT collection that you can launch to sell NFTs. So let's get started. When it comes to NFTs, we know that NFTs are exploding and it is one of the category that is actually increasing with time, and then a lot of people want to create their own NFT collection and sell it in Ethereum or Solana to make thousands of dollars. But the problem is that we're not actually creators and we're not graphic designers. We don't know how to create NFT collections, especially with coding, where we create 10,000 NFTs in a collection, or even to design a simple NFT. So for that, we actually require help, and there are people out there who actually provide very cheap services and give you an amazing art and create your NFTs for you. So that's what I will show you, how you can find artists that will help you create your NFT collection. So what you guys need to do is, right now I have actually opened up OpenSea.io, is world's first and largest NFT marketplace, and it has all different collections right here, the famous ones. So we kind of like mint our NFTs on OpenSea. I have also created a collection on OpenSea. So what we need to do is, first you can actually explore OpenSea and get an inspiration that what you want, or if you already have something in mind, then that's actually a good thing, because then you will be able to tell your artist what you're looking for, and you will be able to create a successful NFT collection. Now what I want you guys to do is simply go to Fiverr.com. Now Fiverr.com is a freelancing platform where we can find different people, and there are different people who create their gigs and we can hire them to do our job, and it's pretty cheap, not that expensive. We can find different freelancers in different rates and with different skills. Similarly, we also have Outbreak.com. It is also a freelancing website. So I will show you on both of these platforms that what are the different creators we're getting and artists. Now on Fiverr, you can see we have a lot of different categories. We have graphic designing, and in graphic designing, you will find NFT art. But wait, I will show you how we can access more categories about NFT. So we have others as well, such as digital marketing, video animation, music, and audio. So if you're looking to create music NFTs, then you can simply go to this one right here. Or if you want to create a visual NFT, 3D NFT, then you can also explore video and animation. But if I go to trending right here, so you can see in trending we have NFT art, NFT services, NFT development, NFT promotion checklist, and more. So this is actually trending on freelancing website because a lot of people are hiring NFT artists to design their NFTs. Go to NFT art right here, and it will open up all the gigs available. So you can see right here we have these NFT artists, and you can see they have like 5-star reviews. I will draw your NFT collection and cartoon style. Okay, then we have this one. I will create a custom NFT art for 1K, 5K, and 10K. So they will create 1K NFTs or 10K NFTs for us. This one is a pixel art NFT. Then we have successful NFT art collection. Moving on, I will create an entire custom NFT pixel art collection. Then we have, I will create pixel art for you. I will design unique NFTs for you. This is pretty cheap. Then we have, I will create high quality 3D NFT art, unique NFT art, 10K NFT art, 10K. If I scroll down again, we have doodle art, pixel art. So all of these, if I just scroll down, you can see there are hundreds to thousands of artists that are ready to create NFT collection for me. So all I have to do is just pay them. You will of course need an investment, and I assume that you already have saved some if you're launching an NFT collection. So out of that, you can actually pay $200 or maybe maximum $1,000 to create your 10K collection. So that's actually pretty amazing, and not even 1,000. A lot of people will do the job between $100 to $500, because you can see right here, this one is not even $100, and this one is somehow. And then we have like some of these are actually, for example, I just saw someone right here and they were doing it for $700. This one right here. So like the maximum price you will go to is going to be be 700 or 600, and you can start from just $100. Hire people to design these amazing NFT collections for you. You can check out their work, you can check what kind of art they're creating, you can contact them and they will create NFTs for you. You can also check their reviews. For example, this is a pretty cheap person and they have like 206 reviews. Custom NFT art. Okay, so this is really good. Now all I have to do is just hire someone, the one that I like. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and filter my search. We can filter our search by categories. So we have NFT art, NFT animation, NFT development. I'm gonna go with NFT art and we have 10,000 gigs available. Similarly, I'm gonna go ahead and set up a budget too. So I can go ahead and add a budget here and apply it if I like. Then we also have a delivery time. So if you're looking for a specific time to create your own NFTs, then you can just select a delivery time as well. And we can go up to 7 days. I'm okay with that. So I'm just going to select this one. Now they have actually narrowed it down for me. They have filtered my search. And now I have all of the artists within my budget. And these are all 5 rated artists. You can see right here, pretty good art, and I can actually increase my budget to kind of like get more out of the artists. So this is actually a pretty good art right here, and they have good reviews. I can just go and contact them, hire them right now to create my NFTs for me. Similarly, we have Outbreak.com. So if I just go to Upwork, on Upwork, if I go to creative and designs, then I will be able to explore in different categories. And you can see right here we have graphic designers, web designers, and if we just go to more skills, then we will be able to find NFT art right here. So I have my results for NFT art, and these are all NFT artists, and you can see they will create 10,000 unique NFTs, top rated, just $45 per hour. Then we have again NFT art, $55 per hour, $100 per hour. Okay, then we have this gig right here which starts from just $100. This one starts from just $30 and they have 5 reviews. This one starts from just $10. Pixel NFT art they will create for us. Similarly, we have others such as $40 per hour, $35 per hour. So it's really actually very cheap to get an NFT artist. This is also an NFT artist and they can create NFTs for us, and it is just $45 per hour. So that's really easy to just contact someone and create your NFT for you. Again, we can actually filter our search with location and our hours billed or our languages too, hourly rate, what you're looking for, and then you can simply go ahead and hire an artist to design your NFTs for you. That's what we usually do, and we can actually find different artists for our clients as well and design NFTs for them so that they can sell on the NFT marketplace and make money. This is your investment that you will need to do, and you will get your own ready-made built NFT collection ready to launch, and you can just make money with it. You can set whatever price you want, and after that make a lot of money with your NFT collection. Of course, you can also hire other people such as for promotion, for launching, but if you know how to do that, then it's a piece of cake for you because you have your own collection and now you're ready to launch and rock and roll. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to hire an NFT artist to design your NFT collection. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.